Welcome to this installation of Collavate Camp. Today, we're going to talk about something topical, remote work. Here at Collavate, we work across state lines, continents, and time zones. Keeping projects moving forward with this much distance can be quite the challenge, but by using Collavate, we make keeping connected much easier.
And we know a ton of people have been displaced from their offices for the better part of a month now, right? And we'd like to address some of the difficulties that probably come along with working in a remote environment for the first time. Like Matt said, we work with an international team here, and collaboration between people on one side of the globe to the other makes instant messaging often less than ideal. For us, Collavate is a place where documents can be created together without direct communication, but most certainly with direct collaboration.
That's right. See, one of the most important things to remember is that everyone is human. Some mistakes will be made in the beginning. Replacing a lot of your normal face-to-face communication with the new digital communication can be quite challenging at first, but it does get easier with practice. Collavate is instrumental in our communication arsenal. Collavate makes it easy to connect with people on different schedules by utilizing both group and company-wide posts for document creation and collaboration.
Yep, and you can also post, photos, text, any types of documents. You can tag people in these posts or even create groups to kind of centralize communication for a specific team. We try to ease the difficulty of communicating with people, sharing and collaborating remotely. Our teams here even have many other forms of communication outside of Colabate. We use video chats, Google Hangouts for text chat, but time and time again, it's easier to get input from everyone if we post an artifact or a document to one of our Colabate groups to start a conversation.
See, I actually use Collavate for almost all of my work. As the compliance manager, I need input from everyone in the company as to how we do things for our ISO quality management systems and our information security management systems documents. Collavate helps in any situation where I need to keep a record of approval or history of document creation, edits, and version histories. Collavate not only has a thorough approval process in document history, but it also allows the creation of public or private published links, creating dedicated pages for each and every document for reference, sharing, or auditing.
Yep, and Colabate really defines the way we do work here. It helps keep our communication on point with real time commenting and posting for people that we work with directly every day. Our group posts help keep our teams connected regardless of the time of day because often these team communications are international. You can reply on a post instead of sending a group message and running the risk that it's buried before everyone sees it or comments on it. And Collavate makes it really easy to reply with images, drawings, or emojis to ensure you're getting your point across clearly.
That's right. See, we know it's hard to communicate moods and emotions through text alone. That's why Collavate lets you post anything you want. See, one thing to keep in mind is to make sure, even through text, you're communicating how you feel, not just what you think.
Yeah, and while we know it may sound silly, there's an important distinction to make between the way you feel and the way you think. If you normally are communicating between emails or chats, you need to use images, GIFs, and emojis often to convey the way you feel. In our day to day, we rely heavily on Collavate to manage our communication with teams, individuals, and project stakeholders in this way.
That's right. See, also make sure you connect with different varieties of communication. Don't just stick with one. Video, text, email, and voice. It not only helps keep people you're working with engaged, but it helps you to gauge their mood, choice of words, and their demeanor in a more overt way than through chats alone.
Yep, and if you're looking to watch a few demos just about how Colabate works and how you might go about doing things like this with Colabate, check out the links in the description of our video or go to our channel's homepage and pick one of the demos. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Until next time, everyone stay safe and keep collaborating.